but that's just one race. Job not done.
Cohen, Satchwell, Campbell, Johnson, Hall, McLean, Dixon and Wright are lining up for the Class 2 girls finale.
Let's see if we can regroup ourselves, because right now we're looking at the Class 2 girls 400 meters. And again, other than the record at 51.62, I don't think the record can be broken. Chris Ann Gordon 51.62, but I do believe we can get a potential sub 52.
I'm right there with you, Bruce.
Which is a big deal, viewers, listeners. Sub 52 at Class 2 would be incredible. And I'm thinking that that could come from the young lady from Fogar Road, SHAMEIKA McLean, who does not seem to care if she's in the front, in the back, or in the middle. When it comes to the finish line, she wants to be first.
This is a big race, Bruce. This is a big race.
SHAMEIKA McLean of Fogar Road in lane 6. The big favorite.
On your marks.
The Carifta Trials winner. She's the Class 3 champion from last year. Brilliant at 100. Awesome at 200. Fabulous at 400. She is a super athlete.
Qualified with 52.52. Does she break 52 seconds? Anastasia Hall of Homewood Tech in lane 5 will be a challenge. Daniela Dixon, William Nib will be a challenge. But I think her goal, SHAMEIKA McLean, the slimmest of all.
Set.
2 from Heidel, 2 from Homewood Technical. Sent about their business now, the first time of asking, and it's a clean start. Already we look to lane number 6. SHAMEIKA McLean, the favorite from Fogar Road, is gliding down the backstretch now. 3rd from left of your screen in the purple of Fogar Road. Homewood Technical's Anastasia Hall is moving up dangerously. So too Sashana Johnson from Heidel. Edwin Allen's Lewis Satchwell has some catching up to do. But as they get set to hit the top of the stretch now, SHAMEIKA McLean from Fogar Road. Homewood Technical's Anastasia Hall is running a big race. So too Sashana Johnson from Heidel. But the favorite, SHAMEIKA McLean from Fogar Road, digs into her bag of reserves now and it takes command. She looks good for the gold medal. She is beyond recall. SHAMEIKA McLean of Fogar Road, a fabulous performance. 52.18. That's a new lifetime best for her to take the gold medal. The Class 3 champion from last year is the gold medalist in Class 2 this time around. Brilliant performance. 53.43 for the silver medalist Sashana Johnson from Heidel. Anastasia Hall takes bronze for Homewood in 54.22 seconds.
Again, doing extra. We got this one really right. We knew she'd threaten the 52-second barrier. We also know that she doesn't front run necessarily. In fact, at 200 meters, she may have been 3rd or 4th. And you'll take us through it, Dwayne.
Yeah, down the backstretch, Kimberly Wright tried to disconnect from this field in lane 8, but biding her time at this point. McLean being passed on the inside by Hall and Johnson. Hall of Homewood, nice high stepping. Shoshana Johnson, silver last year in this event, but Kimberly Wright blazing on the outside in lane number 8, but in the home stretch. At this point, McLean down in 3rd, but now slingshots into the home stretch. Passes Shoshana Johnson, makes them look like they're standing still, and she's running away with this one. McLean storming to the line, running, going and gone. 52.18 the flash time. Comes back at 52.22. She passes Sunitha Sutherland on the Jamaican under 18 list for number 4 all time. Sutherland 52.29, bumped down into 5th by this brilliant 52.22.
What's even more brilliant is she's still a first-year Class 2 girl.
SHAMEIKA McLean for the gold medal, then in 52.22, a new PB. Sashana Johnson of Heidel, the silver, 53.43. Bronze goes to Anastasia Hall from Homewood Technical in 54.22 seconds.
So Dwayne